Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel project series. In this video we will see that how we can add a new restaurant with a form. So on a click on add, we will open a form here, and we will just make three fields here: the name, email and address. After submit the new restaurant in the database, we will able to see the 7th, 8th, 9th and so on entries on our list page also. So these are the points of this video. We will make a view file, then we will add a form inside it, then we will make a route for this view so that we can watch this HTML page here, and after that we will make a controller function and make a router for it, and we will submit this HTML form to this router function and collect the values, so that in the next video we can just send the values to the database. Alright, so now let's see that how we can make a restaurant view. For that, let's close the old, let's come on the root of your project, then just go inside the resources, views, and make a new file. Let's say add.blade.php. all right, and as you know, we are inheriting the layout function, so we can just copy the home page for a moment here, and let's make it here like this, and let's add here the add restaurant page here, see, and after that let's make a route for it so that we can access it. So just right here, open the web.php, and let's make a route for it, like route, and it will be a view type. Then we can make a route with the add, and let's add a comma here, and just make a just provide the path for this view, because this is the view method. So let's, if we just add here, then it will access the add.blade.php, and now let's try to access this with the add URL. Okay, this is not add, so just write here add. Let me check what's wrong with it. Okay, yeah, we have to just put here semicolon at the last. Now you can see that you are able to view the form. So now let's make a form here. To adding the form here, we can use the bootstrap form, so that it will be look good for a UI also. So just add here bootstrap for form, just go on a first link, and let's copy it, and we can just simply paste it here also, like this. Alright, so when just make it paste it, you will see that this is coming on a complete website, and let me just yeah, we have to add here only. Alright, so now you will see that this is coming on a complete page. There is a too long, fields are too long, so how we can short them? For that, we can just add here a div here, and in this div let's add a class with the name of call sm6, and let's add form here. So there is a lots of extra things like checkout and these lines, and how we can just remove this. So let's just remove these things, this one, and we don't need this one also, and this one also. So now this is a little one. Alright, so we need a name, email address, and the address. So let's make a three field here. We don't need the ID. We can also remove these things. Let's remove this one also, and describe by, we can also remove it, and here you can just put here email only, like this, enter email, and we have to just put the name of it, like name can be also email. With the same way, let's add two more things, one for the name and another for the address. So just put here name, and field name can be name, and let's make here enter name. Perfect. With the same thing we can do with the address also, address and address, and enter the address also. So now let's see what we are getting here. So now you can see that we got the all fields. So now we have to define the two more things. One is the method. So method will be post here, like this, and action. So we don't define the action yet, but we will define here in the web file. So let's make action here, and this, the action will be post, because we are sending the post request from here. that one. Now let's the add can be also fine here, because this request go for a view and this is for the post. If we are just sending a post request, it will come directly it test one. So now we can add the restaurant at the rate add. All right, so now let's make an add function inside the your controller. Let's open the app, http controller, and this one, and here let's add a function, add, and just return for a moment complete request, like okay, so if you are accepting the request, then we have to pass the parameter something which is the request type, like this, and just send here request and input like this. All right, so now let's see, are we able to fetch this request? But I'm saying no, because we have some issue. We will get the 419 page expire issue. So let's see what is that. So let's say we are adding the Peter resto or something, test at the rate test something, and address, let's say Noida. Whenever I'm trying to access, okay, so this will be email, let's go on a web, and this will be only text, like this, and this one also, like name can be KFC, KDF, whatever, and this is the email address, because we are not submitting now, we are just checking, then we can submit anything. Now you are getting the 419. Why? Because we did not send yet the CSRF token. If you want to know more about the CSRF token, then this video is not good for that. The link is given in the playlist. You can find the CSRF video from here and you can watch it. So now let's submit the CSRF token inside the form. Just add at the rate CSRF. All right, when just add it, let's go back, and you want to just inspect this page, then you will find here there is a token with the hidden field. So now if I am just going to submit here, like KFC resto, and email can be KFC and something dot at the rate test.com, and address, let's say Noida, then you will see that we are able to submit this form as it is. All right, so this is the way that how we can submit the form to the controller. In the next video we will see that how we can enter in our database these things. All right, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like this video. If you have any kind of reviews, then please mention in the comment box. Bye bye, take care.